Hello traders, Sean at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google L, otherwise known as the FANG. We follow the daily, weekly, monthly time frames. We use technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like the videos, go to our website, sign up, it's free, or click down here to the bottom right hand corner and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And again, thanks for stopping by, I really do appreciate it. Alright guys, daily chart, 16 million, 0.45%. 0.71 cents on the day. Great move up, guys, with the light volume markets. SPY's grinding, this is grinding, Q's grinding, this is grinding, period. Get above the all-time high, above this trend line. We did confirm 160 area. Let's see if we continue higher into earnings, guys. Earnings is a 50-50 play. Might go up, might go down. If you're long, protect it. If you're short, protect it. Just make sure you have more to add. If you're looking to go short and it goes up, and if you're looking to go long and it bombs, just remember, have some more for buy the dip mentality. Buy the dip, most likely it's going to go straight back up. So I'd almost rather see this one fall, and then of course I'm short, and then I could cover the short and just buy long, and it's going to go straight back up. So I'm hoping all these in the FANG come down. I am short all these positions. They come down, guys, I will switch it and go long. Just got to find good support. If they go up on me, I will buy small call positions on these things. Maybe for 170, 180 out of the money calls. So if this thing pops up, it'll put it right there. Couple $100 call will probably, gosh, it'll probably be up a couple 100% or so, and then take the money and run, and then take that money, put it to your short position, and then ride it down. Same thing here. If you are long, this thing falls, buy some put positions. If it goes down, cover the puts, buy the dip, let it go up. So it's kind of the same strategy either way. Just protect yourself on these trades. And remember, if you're doing the swing trades and you're following me on StockBookie.com, don't load the boat in any position. No more than 10% of your total portfolio. We have a lot of 5% positions, and that's how we're going to play these things into earnings, knowing that we might possibly have to add more if you're short. Again, we will take small call positions to hedge ourselves on these and protect it. That's what it's all about when you're trading. Weekly chart, like I said, though, great bullish pattern. All of them look the same, guys. I mean, a little bit choppy, but this one's above the MA, strong stance, ready to break out. Next week, I want to see this thing close around 165 with some follow-through and more volume, and that could possibly lead us to higher prices. Again, though, earnings, guys, beware of that. Let's go into Amazon. Amazon, same thing, just like the weekly on Facebook, up, chopping above the MAs. This one's setting up to break out to go up. If it does not, and this bullish pattern fails at the highs, we will be fast tracking to the downside. Just a matter of when. We're playing Amazon the same way we're playing Facebook, Netflix, Apple, Google. If they pop, we're buying a small call position. We'll make a little money there. We'll cover that off. We'll go short with that and then ride it down. If these drop, I'm already short with shares. If they come into this area here, I will cover, buy the dip. Hopefully it goes up. I mean, we'll look for support areas, but I'll already be in the position, and we're rocking and rolling. Again, I don't have huge positions, just looking to play these. A lot of these are stretched on every time frame, especially the monthlies. Let's go to the daily chart on Amazon. This one's been just, chopping up, down, gets the bid, right back to all-time high, boom, sideways bearish, comes right back in. Finds the 5-0 retrace, gap fill down in here, right back up into earnings, guy. Everything's floating into earnings, guys, just like on Friday with a couple of the banks that were okay. But again, buy the dip. They all fell, went straight back up into green territory. Right now, though, slightly sideways, bullish pattern above the MAs. This one looks like it's setting up for higher prices. Broken record, guys. Earnings coming up to 50-50 shot, so watch for that. But right now, technically, it doesn't look bad, guys. And we'll see what next week brings as well. With the markets and the volume, maybe if it stays with 50 million on the SPY, these things will just grind sideways or possibly grind up. There might be some little bit of profit taking going to earnings, so watch for that. I don't see anything serious unless the volume picks up on the SPY. We start getting 150 million, 125 million. We start to sell off a little bit, then watch out for these high flyers. They will come in regardless of earnings or what have you comes up, unless an upgrade or something comes up. All right, let's look at NFLX. Let's go to the daily chart on here. Same thing, earnings coming up. This thing's almost at the highs, grinding away for the last 6 days. It's the same scenario on all these stocks. As the SPY grinds, these grind up. So that's what's happening here. We're right to the 750 retrace and this little pivot. Big area of resistance, guys. Will this continue higher into earnings, or will it just chop, 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 and then tell us which way it goes? We do have a big trend line, though, coming up here around 173, 174. 175 will be your natural resistance, and of course a 52-week high here at 166.87. So that will be your first area. If it goes up, here's some, and then past 175, then it's like 180, 185, 200 possibly. If this thing drops, I still think the 200 MA is a good target on all these charts, so watch for that if it comes in. If these areas break, then it will go lower. So goes up, cracks through 175 or so, higher prices, maybe even 200, who knows? It's Netflix, I don't know. If this thing comes down, targets for all these stocks in the FANG will be the 200 MA on the daily chart, possibly lower. You got a great pivot here, great buy the dip areas coming up on here, and I will go long, guys. If these come in on earnings down, I will cover and I will take these things long. Just got to find the good area. I would love to just buy the dip and let it ride, guys. I just, holding out for some real good support areas if these things come down. Weekly chart, like I said, on Netflix, still okay, still above the MAs. Got the nice reversal on the weekly last week. I mean, look at this reversal candle, guys. Can't ask for much better than that. Comes at the lows, nice push up, right back above this big red bar, but into the 750 retrace, so we'll see if that stops it. We are holding in this channel. We were below the channel, and boom, right back up, never confirmed. On the weekly, at least, got back above, right in the channel again, so let's see what happens come the next couple weeks. Let's go into Google L. Google L, same scenario, guys, moves up above the MAs, slightly bullish, but we're inside this bar, a little bit bearish on the weekly, trying to get above. Big area will be the 994, 948, then of course 1,000 even number, and then the all-time high, which is 1,861. So let's watch for this again. Earnings 50-50 shot. If it drops, let's go to the daily. If these things drop, again, here's your 200 MA. We're right around 860. If we pop 1050, 1100 maybe, you got to get past here. If we do, we're going to gap up over this stuff and just keep going. But if these things drop, guys, 200 MA, that's going to be your target. I still believe all these are going to go to the November lows before the Trump trade. Remember that. If Trump gets in, it's going to be a disaster. Kind of. And then this thing just grind right here in April, took off to the top, just started ripping. I think our earnings maybe came in on this one. But again, down, up, down, up. Got a little trend line here. Let's pull this one off. That's where it's kind of stopping too. Right there, if you look at this. So that's a big area. I wouldn't doubt it gaps up on Monday and keeps going. But watch the overall markets, guys. If they stay quiet, stay just basically 50 million shares, these things will grind higher. If we start picking up on the Qs, the IWM, the SPY, and they start coming down a little bit, then you'll get some selling. Everything is a market trade right now, going into earnings. If it's quiet, that's what these guys are waiting for, to see which way these things can possibly go. So just be careful in these markets. Do not ever load the house on any position. That's the kiss of death, guys. Then you just start chasing. But just take it slow and steady, guys. We're in a marathon, not a sprint. All right, if you like these videos, like I said, go to my website, sign up. It's free. Or please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking down in the right-hand corner. Thanks again, everyone, for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. God bless. See you on the charts.